Hatzolah of Boro Park is an organization that provides assistance to a community with over 22,000 families. Hatzolah of Boro Park responds to over 50 calls a day, each one requiring between 1 to 3 volunteers depending on the nature of the call. Hatzolah of Boro Park responds to over 350 calls a week, 1,400 calls a month, and over approximately 16,800 calls a year. Hatzolah of Boro Park consists of 175 volunteers, 150 EMTs, 25 paramedics and doctors, 30 dispatchers, 9 state-of-the-art ambulances, and 1 first response night shift vehicle. Always on call, arriving in record time and in a moment's notice. Hatzolah of Boro Park responds with professionalism, commitment, and devotion. Hatzolah of Boro Park provides an exceptional sense of comfort and calmness within the community. Some calls are more complicated than others. There are calls for simple trauma, like a dislocated elbow, but many of our calls require immediate treatment and care, like seizures, strokes, heart attacks, allergic reactions, and many, many more, including multi-casualty incidents, which require much more of Hatzolah's personnel, equipment, and services. With over 16,800 calls a year, Boro Park Hatzolah volunteers still respond in a moment's notice.
Do we have any B units 15 and 50, trauma to a child?
Deutschland, wo es geht auf Futsch, schon bald das Mann. Autsch. Kiek dich um jetzt. Genick mit den Ringen, jetzt haben wir schon Genick Ringen. Agit Moed, kim tsaran, Agit Moed, kim tsaran. Agit Moed. Let's take back.
Good night to you.
Thanks, I get more.
Mashchaim shkayach. Thanks. B68, go ahead.
I'm here on 47C between 12 and 13. I have a ticket that collapsed, including children inside. Start getting me back up code 1, ALS, BLS, and buses.
10468.
Do we have any backup units available for 47th Street between 12 and 13th Avenue, code 1? B220, back it up. 47 between 12 and 13. Do we have any additional units to back up? B10, back it up. 47th Street between 12 and 13th Avenue. Do we have any medics to start heading? B69, 47 between 12 and 13th Avenue. 69. Can we get an additional medic in the Borough Park area? B214, back it up. 47 between 12 and 13th Avenue. Units responding in the beam. Be advised, the staging area will be at 47th Street and 12th Avenue. B68, go ahead. Do we have any units to load up a second B bus? B77, respond to the bus. Can we get an additional unit? Now 4B223, you're backing up to the bus. H-base to B68. Be advised, you have 2 buses with 4 units, 2 medics heading to you as well. They're setting up at 47th Street and 12th Avenue. B247, go ahead. You have 2 buses heading your way. You need an additional? Do we have any units to load up B05? M4, respond to 05. Can we get a backup unit to B05?
Yes, hello, Dr. Rand. Yeah, hi. I'm sorry to wake you. It's Hatzolah calling. Yeah, we had a porch collapse over here in Borough Park, and we have 2 kids that were suspecting some internal bleeding. And we're really not. We need you to come in if you can, please, and evaluate.
Shimmy.
Wer?
Mazin, Shimmy.
Wer ist Schimmi? Wer dann sehen?
Ja.
Wie ist er?
Sind hier gegangen.
Wie er gewähnt mit ihr in der Säcke?
Ja, gewählt, sicher.
need lighting equipment, 10-4. Do we have any backup units available to respond with lighting equipment? We have a report of a child missing in the rubble. 10-4, take the equipment from the garage and respond to the scene at 47 between 12 and 13. Do we have any additional units available for another B-bus? 10-4, the two of you respond to the garage, take the last bus and start responding to the scene. H-base to B-247. We spoke with Maimonides, we advised them you have 9 patients coming in.
Can you put your legs and your arms?
Wir müssen ein größeres Schkoich. Ich kann nicht genug Werte zu bedanken. Was dies getan, was Hatzolah hat getan. Es gleicht sich nicht.
Was ist das? Was geht's? Mach es schaffen.
Du bist geblieben so lang. Was ich gedacht zu tun, das. Haben sie gesagt, so Sache. Haben sie ein größeres Schkoich. Ich kann nicht genug Werte zu bedanken für den. Ich kann schon jetzt gehen. Ich kann schon jetzt übernehmen von du.
Was ist der Gerich? Wir können gehen?
Ich kann schon jetzt übernehmen. Als je me wieder fühlst, hè? Fühlt dich schon besser? Ja? Ach, Baruch Hashem, sei gut.
This is HBS, do we have any B units 1-4 and 4-8 child difficulty breathing?
249.
10-4, B249, respond to 148748, 1487 48th Street on the number 1 floor of a private house. This is HBS, do we have any B units for the bus?
HBS, be advised, B03 is mobile with 2 units. We're gonna take it in.
10-4, respond with the bus to 1487.